Kinds of dump trucks used in a construction site. Dump trucks are enormous pieces of equipment that move massive amounts of loose materials including soil, sand, ores, gravel, and demolition trash between mining, civil, and major construction sites. You'll almost certainly need a dump truck for your next construction or mining job if you need to carry loose material. Rigid rear dump trucks and articulated dump trucks are the two most common dump trucks for rental. Dump trucks are available in a variety of types and configurations, each built for a specific application, so choosing the proper one for your project or operation is critical. What are the different types of dump trucks? Articulated dump trucks. Articulated dump trucks are large, heavy-duty dump trucks that are used off-road to transport bulk loads across rough terrains. Site dumpers and front tippers. Site dumpers are handy compact machines used for off-road cartage of loads on site and are available to hire in a variety of configurations. As an extremely versatile earth-moving machine, site dumpers are engineered with a 180 degrees swivel skip bin which allows for precise backfilling. Rigid rear dump trucks. Rigid rear dump trucks are one of the most popular types of dump trucks to hire as a rigid rear dump truck, perfect for use in tandem with hydraulic excavators in mining. These machines are found only in mining and quarrying applications and can be enormous. Track-mounted dump trucks. The crawler dump truck is specifically designed for off-road applications and has the added benefit of being able to maneuver in spaces too small for larger machines. Rugged, uneven, slippery, steep, or soft terrain and tight access areas present a major hurdle for most rubber-tired haulers. Underground dump trucks. Underground dump trucks can be used in both hard rock and soft rock underground mining and tunnel construction. High rail dump trucks. The high rail dump truck is equipped with rail wheels that allow the machine to drive on and off railway tracks. For more information call 469-370-7501 or visit interstateheavyequipment.com.